in the modern world, I'm especially in India, I feel this service is very essential. In those days, maybe around 20 30 years before, when we come across a small health problem, we go to a local place, like very close to our house. There may be a doctor at the end of the street or somewhere nearby. It's a small clinic. So what will happen? There will be a family physician. He is for our entire family. Whatever the problems, we'll go to him, and he will be giving the guidance. And according to his instructions, sometimes he might refer first for an admission or for a specialist. But we take his opinion as a preliminary consultation, and from his consultation, we go for the next level. But over a period of time, what has happened? Because we are understanding the challenges are multifold. Similarly, the healthcare. Those days we were not having such concerns. These days, when we take an injection, we get a shock while taking injection. Sometimes we faint. Sometimes we go through a lot of stress, sudden cardiac problem, sudden stroke, and these things, when it happens in a small clinic where there is no facility to give an emergency first aid, so many problems are getting because of this consumer era. Government has given a lot of regulatory guidelines. So every small clinic also should have some mandatory guidelines. So they should have this minimum waiting hall and small couch with an examination place to attend some emergencies. And the doctor should be have all these minimum gadgets like some sort of emergency injections, an oxygen facility. All these things is becoming mandatory. So there is shift in the concept. The small clinics is now becoming a polyclinic. So even that polyclinic are not well organized. Rather, if you say the polyclinics are all maybe must be run by a pharmacies or some laboratories or from some diagnostic centers, they are going through this strategy. Honestly, if you see a group of doctors starting a small setup of clinics where some 4 or 5 rooms are available, which can be used by at least 20 to 30 doctors in the same day for 2 to 3 hours is a day, is something a good strategy. Because what is happening is many places, whether it is in the cities or whether it is in the semi-urban areas, what is happening is to travel for a health problem, even for 5 to 10 kilometers, it's becoming a big challenge. Huge traffic, pollution, long traveling, that itself is adding the stress when we go and meet it. At the same time, for some small ailments, if the client, the patients, or the common public has to go to a bigger hospital or a nursing home or a medium sized hospital, it's there is some sort of difficulties, because in that place there will be casualty, there will be trauma, there will be a big waiting hall, multitude of multiple problems will be there. In that we will be having place for the outpatient facilities and all. But when we go to a center where there is a pleasant environment, there is a problem, I'm just going, the doctor is available readily to meet me, and I can meet him, and I can walk off with a peaceful environment, with a comfortable ambience, with a cost effective manner. The word now comes in the cost effective manner, because you are avoiding the long travel and the benefits, like myself coming through from a basic life to a better life. I understand the challenges faced by the common public, especially when it comes to the healthcare expenses. It is something unexpected, it is something emergency. Mediclaims don't cover outpatient services. So here we are looking after in all your financial challenges also. So we want to give the best care, comprehensive medical care, health care in cost effective manner. So this GSSS clinics is a new strategy where we are trying to give the best medical services which needs outpatient services in a very cost effective manner, but in a very good non-compromised support. So the doctors will be available from morning to night of all specialities in all areas. I want to open this sort of GSS clinics to start in Chennai in many key areas. across Chennai, I can even start on 10 to 15 clinics. So many people who are having a common problem like diabetes, they are having hypertension, cardiac problem, they are having some sort of cervical neck problem, they are having some sort of, they need a diet counseling or whatever it is. So now they are need not go to a long travel or go to an hospital or for a nursing home for taking this sort of consultation. It's a periodical consultation, repeated consultation. They can go to a nearby place. So I want in at least in Chennai, maybe in North Chennai, Central Chennai, South Chennai, each part of Chennai at least can accommodate 5 to 6 clinics. Overall, some 15 to 20 clinics, GSSS clinics, is going to be of beneficial to the public. So this is where I'm trying to do this as a different strategy, and it will be very much be useful for the common public, for the upcoming generation, for the upcoming years, because of this shift in the regulatory guidelines given by the government, which is in the welfare of the public. And at the same time, doctors who are having small clinics who are unable to run the show because they can have an attendant outside, but they cannot have that computerized billing, they cannot have an integrated, now the pharmacies also cannot be have a dispensary. There is some sort of regulatory guidelines there also. So I've looked all these challenges when a clinician is sitting in a small clinic with an attendant outside with a small waiting place and not a backup for having that emergency. So I'm coming to support and bridge both the medical practitioners, my own fraternity, as well as the common public. And this will be a very unique model, and it will support and mutually benefit the public as well as the medical fraternity. So I hope many of you will use these services. Looking forward. Thank you.